Thought this might amuse you guys. I've been away for about 6 months. I would come home periodically and start up the bike, but today when I went to start it, I had no anything on my cluster, no blinkers, so the cluster seemed to not be powering up. I checked all the obvious suspects, fuses, relays, swapped some relays around just for the hell of it, see what would happen. Didn't get anything there. All the fuses were good. I tested them with a multimeter. So I said, what the hell, and I unplugged the gauge cluster directly from the wiring harness. And with the bike off, I tested for voltage. And at one pin, I did have 12 volts, but I was guessing that's like a standby pin. And I did have continuity to ground on the ground pin, so I went ahead and cleaned out the connection and reseated it. Oh, I forgot. With it disconnected, I did turn the bike on again, and another pin began giving 12 volts. Another pin gave 3 and another gave 2, which, without knowing the diagram off the top of my head, seemed like a pretty correct response electrically. So I went ahead and just cleaned the connection out, plugged it right back in, and the cluster came right back to life. So it seems like it was just some dirt. Surprising how I can get in there when it's all sealed up and just sitting still, but in case you guys have something like this happen, keep an eye on it.